Look at all those whales, Joy. Are they big?
Yeah, let's do some dolphins.
Dolphins? I only see whales. Take another look. There any dolphins out there?
Yes?
Oh, are they big? Oh, okay. This will all make more sense in a little bit. Okay, in this episode of ClayTrader Mail, we're gonna make fun of some pumpers, I guess, and kind of a little weird because I'm going to talk about somebody that was not happy with the service that I provide, but then it also turns into, I think, a very nice learning exercise, along with just offering a disclaimer to some of you out there that may fall into this category. And the category is pumper. If you're a pumper, then yeah, you're probably not going to get along with myself or the community. So let's walk through this, and this one's a little bit different just because the initial, it wasn't an email, it was a public posting. I didn't capture it because it was actually deleted by the site because it was off topic for that particular message board. But I'll just tell you what it was, and it was basically talking about my private trading community, how it was worthless, they got ripped off. They just were not happy with it. I'll just leave it at that. And like I said, sorry there's no image that I can post, but that's what they were saying. They were not happy, it was worthless, they felt ripped off, all that sort of good stuff. And I'll be honest, I don't like to hear that when it's about something that you offer. It's, what's going on? Why didn't they ever contact me? So I wanted to dig a little bit deeper. And when I started to dig through this person's posting history, it all made sense. And it actually made me feel very proud because it shows kind of the community that myself and all the other traders have built. So doing some digging, this is what I found. Whale sightings everywhere. Nice buys coming in. Now, a few things to take note of. First, the date. Just keep in the back of your mind the date that this is taking place. And then look at those exclamation marks. There's nothing like a good boot of energy to, excite. Now, if you're new and you're not quite sure what I'm getting at here, what is up with this whale sighting? In the world of markets, a whale is just somebody that's a big buyer. Warren Buffett would be considered kind of the whale of all whales. He's just a big buyer, and that's what a whale is associated to in the world of the market, just somebody that's got a lot of cash and is buying. So when this person is saying, whale sightings everywhere, they're implying, look at all these people coming in and buying. But now there's more to this story. So this image you see right now is for the chart that he was talking about. And as you see where that arrow is pointing, that is on the same date as when this post was made, when these supposed whales were coming in. And you can see what happens from this point forward is, well, a pump and dump. So when you stop and think about it, what was this person doing at that point in time? They were trying to build all kinds of excitement to get people to come in. Now, the people that are coming in are going to be, people that are not, familiar with the market, so they're new, or they have very little experience, but they're trying to sucker them in. And you know what? Maybe this person actually believed, in this company. Well, this person is now going and doing the same things on a different stock, so it's either they didn't learn their lesson or they're just, it just gets messy. But the point being, this is pumping at its best, proclaiming whales are everywhere. And then you saw the aftermath, the price is right back down to where it started. Classic sign of a pump and dump. So now I understand why this person did not find my service very, favorable, because there is no pumping allowed. That's one of the biggest rules. And if you do come in pumping, you will get called out. People will say, look, we're not a bunch of sheep here. We're not a bunch of idiots here. And you'll probably not feel very welcome. Now, if you want to change your tune, change your attitude, awesome. We're all for that. You will be welcomed with open arms. But pumpers that come in just with the idea of, I'm going to pump to these people so I can just get my penny stock or whatever stock to get as high as it can so I can dump on them. Nah, that's not going to happen. We're a group where we actually understand what's going on and the rules are strictly enforced. So sure, on social media and message boards and maybe other chat rooms, you can get away with just typing how great something is or whale sightings everywhere, but not in my community. So yeah, I'm very proud of the fact that this pumper found no value, because that tells me we're doing a good job of kind of get out of here pumpers, get out of here pumpers. That's what our goal is, and apparently, at least with this person, we've succeeded in it. So again, recognize what pumpers are, and you can't listen to people. So there's lots of little learning lessons you can get here, but yeah, the disclaimer, if you are a pumper, if you're looking to just spew nonsense, just stuff that makes no sense when you actually stop and think about it, which is the case 99.9% of the time in penny stocks, definitely don't sign up. It'll be a waste of your money because you will find no value in the community. So keep that in mind. Don't fall for the whole whale sighting thing. I mean, give me a break. So if you enjoyed this, hopefully you got a kick out of it. My daughter wanted to be a part of it, and I thought, hey, why not? But if you have any suggestions or whatever for future emails, I'm always looking for different kind of angles on things. So keep me posted. As always, like the video if you want me to keep making these, and I'm having a good time with it. So hopefully you guys are still finding entertainment in them. Get out there and trade without emotion.